So you guys, yeah, I haven't been vlogging a lot, but we really need to figure out is what's going on with the channel. So the channel is, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos, a lot more tutorials, a lot of getting down and dirty with the video content. It's a little update. So I was doing a lot of photography stuff and trying to get my footings and my bearings with all that stuff. Everything situated, all the papers and legal documents and my websites, payment stuff, all the stuff that you don't really want to know about. It's just like really obnoxious stuff, background stuff. But background stuff that just takes forever to do. So that's kind of like the reason why I haven't been vlogging as much. I think everything is starting to come together a lot more, less stress on that end. And yeah, I'm excited because this pretty much is over with. I get to vlog again, and right now I'm using my 80D. I got a tripod on it right now. I got like a true vlogger. I usually use my Canon G7X Mark II, but I like to color grade a little bit more, so watch this, ready? Different, 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 and back to normal. All right. That's kind of the reason why I switched to this guy, because it had a different like log profile on it. This is actually not log, it's CineStyle, but that's what I like to use. It's personal preference. Yeah, just chilling out. But yeah, it's getting warmer now. It's the beginning of June, basically. Got my camera stuff. I just did a video. Yeah. I feel a lot more accomplished, and what I want to do, I want to get like an intro video for the channel. I think that's the next step, and just have everything kind of revamped. I never really had the time for it. Just kind of had to redirect my attention to something else for a second, but I see how everything's kind of like actually connecting via photography and YouTube. So like all this stuff is just kind of like all making sense now, which is good. Ready to just move forward and get it and kill it. I'm ready. I'm ready. A lot of exciting stuff on its way. So, but yeah, enough about ranting.
So I just remember going to sleep and then waking up and then deciding to do this.
You guys, so I was driving around and I needed to do something. I needed to take the dive and upgrade my, I went out and I actually purchased something pretty useful, and I'm pretty excited. So I guess it's kind of like a unboxing to some degree. So I'm just gonna do it here because I'm afraid to bring this outside right now, because it's raining like crazy. It looks really sunny in the background, but no, it's raining, as you can kind of hear. I just got this to help my YouTube videos. This is called the SNOWBALL by BlUE microphones. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to open this bad boy up. I'm gonna open it up now. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it from the store. It's raining like crazy. I was gonna do this video outside because the lighting's pretty nice, but I guess the car will do for now. We're gonna pop the top. Okay, so there's like a cardboard cover on the top, so we're just gonna pull the tab. See what happens from here. Oh, it's not a tab really. It is, but it's a box within a box, so we're gonna slide this box out. That comes straight out of the box. There's a little tab up on top, so we're just gonna pop that tab, pop the lid, and you got some instructions on the front. Take those right out, and there's two boxes after you take this thing out right here. Oh, it's not two boxes. It looks like two boxes from the front, but as you pull it out, it's actually just one. It's just I guess some protection. Inside the box is the microphone, as you can see right there, which is pretty cool. Covered by some plastic. I'm just gonna pull it right out of the plastic, or out of the box, and inside the box, it's like a little kind of like fitted thing for the ball, for the microphone. Kind of feels like on the bottom there's a stand, but so let's open up this microphone real quick. Let's take a look at it. I've heard pretty good things about it. Kind of up my game with my sit-down videos. So this is what it looks like out of the package. Very nice and shiny. It's plastic on top, but it feels like a durable plastic. On the bottom, there's an insert section where you can put it on a tripod or a microphone stand. That's what it looks like. And then right there it says SNOWBALL. So I got the black one because I think it's pretty badass to have the black one. And yeah, can't wait to try this thing out. There's micro USB to USB, so you can connect that to your laptop. So there's a bottom box. Get it out. No, I'm just I'm breaking it. I'm breaking everything in this box. But it's just so far down inside this box. Flip lid right here. It opens up. There's a 2-compartment section inside the box. In the first compartment, there is a cord, which is the micro USB to USB cable, where you can hook that up to the back of the ball to your laptop. So it's cool. You don't have to have like an interface to plug it into and then plug it into your laptop. And inside the other compartment is the stand, the tripod stand for the microphone. It has 3 legs, looks like that. They pop out just like that. It's on your table. I'm gonna test this thing out when I get home and see how this thing sounds. Yeah, I just want to show you I wasn't lying about the rain. It is raining like a madman out here.
So after all that rain and driving in that disaster, I went home and then tried to test this guy out. Oh, and by the way, I accidentally started a podcast.
I think we're already promoting that right now. Yeah, so I just did my own first podcast, recorded it. Finally, it took forever to understand because I haven't used that setup on this laptop ever. It was kind of difficult to get it all set up, got it up and running, and I just recorded my first podcast. So if you want to check that out, I'll probably leave a link in the description soon enough. But for now, we got it up and running, the whole recording thing. And this thing is actually pretty good. I mean, listen to this little snippet here. Hold on.
Cass, thank you for joining me on this first go around.
So bassy, I love it. We got a podcast going, so that's something new. I don't know how I'll keep up with it, but that's something new. Yeah, I didn't expect to be doing a podcast whatsoever, but I thought, okay, well, if there's a mic here, then might as well. Hopefully you guys could check it out. I believe you can go to Buzzsprout website and listen to it there. I'll leave a link down below for that, and yeah, you can check it out. It's just me rambling about just starting it up, but I'm gonna end this little vlog here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like his content on the channel, camera gear, just hanging out vlogs, hit that subscribe button up on top or down below, or the little icon that's over there on my screen. So I think it's like right over here. Tap that and turn on the notification bell up on top. If you have any questions about starting a podcast, I'm probably not the guy that could give you all the information, but I could answer some things about it because I just set up one. Oh, it's not too hard, but there's a lot to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.